It is my great honor to welcome you to the Catherine and Isiah Leggett Math and Science Building.
Board members like myself were honored to take action in 2018 to name the building after the Leggetts, to recognize their philanthropy on behalf of the Montgomery College students and their shared commitment to education and education for all.
These classrooms, labs, and congregation spaces will provide an unparalleled educational experience for students as they prepare for roles in the knowledge economy. The Leggetts' generosity will provide scholarships to ensure many more students can afford to attend Montgomery College and take advantage of the opportunities that lie within a building that now carries their name.
Community colleges, as we all know, are gateways to dreams. For non-traditional and first-generation college-bound students, they provide opportunities for those balancing work, family, finances, and education.
Every student deserves to be supported on each leg of their educational journey because every student contributes not only to Maryland's prosperity, but to its knowledge, its discovery, its humanity.
We know that the students here will have the opportunity to take science and math and deal with the challenges we have in this world. You will be preparing leaders to help us preserve our environment.
I've been in 2 major biotech meetings this week, and the topic there, as far as Montgomery County goes, is talent and training. Talent and training. And that's a deficit here. And we need to have the bodies to fill the positions that the companies we're trying to bring here are going to want to fill. This facility is going to help us fill those positions.
When I think about the students that are going to be educated in this classroom, generations of students, some my age, some older than I am, and certainly younger, they will be there to carry on the legacy of the Leggetts. I couldn't think of a better name for the building. And they'll continue to do good in what I call the Leggett way.
This building sends a signal to folks, right? That we are a world-class institution, that they will have world-class opportunities, that they will do world-class things while they're here and when they leave.
Thank you to everybody in our community. If just one student of the thousands and thousands of students lives up to the example of Catherine and Ike Leggett, then our investment of public dollars, our investments of private dollars, our commitment to make this project possible will pay back dividends many times over.
You guys have served your whole life, this community, and outside of it. And you never asked for credit, you didn't ask for anything back, you didn't want a favor, but you did it for us. And we say thank you. And you did it for these thousands of students. Last thing I'll say, this is the best community college in the United States of America, Montgomery College.
Our students here at MC deserve the absolute best.
It's not just the best buildings, it's to give public school students in Montgomery College and in Montgomery County the same quality buildings as private school students.
I feel like it's representative, Ike and Catherine, of the vision that you have that often other people can't see. People running by can't see, can only see pieces of, can only see the beginnings of. And you have that vision and you've had that for our community. And you've built it along with all of the people in this room and so many more. And so we're grateful for that and honored to have your name on this really important education building.
You want to build something in Tacoma Park, you need to talk to Montgomery College. They figured it out. So I want to thank every single person that touched a resident, answered a question, facilitated a meeting, all of the different levels of community engagement that it took to help realize the vision that we're celebrating today.
Montgomery College has had a profound impact on my life. The opportunities found here align with my passions. For example, my research on hypertension in African American populations enabled me to take a deeper look into healthcare disparities that are ailing people.
Dr. Paul is an outstanding leader. She's quite shrewd in many ways. She recognized that I would be somewhat reluctant about placing my name on this building. In fact, when she first asked me, I actually said no.
She came back a little bit later. She said, what if I name the building Catherine? She got to be on there.
We are incredibly thankful for the naming. It is incredibly humbling. And to get a naming of this building that is going to have thousands of students go through it and maybe acknowledge the history that goes along with that name is just heartfelt. I mean, it's really overwhelming. It's humbling. And we are incredibly grateful. We're grateful. Dr. Pollard, thank you. Everyone who helped to bring this building to fruition, thank you, thankful. We are incredibly grateful. And this is a day that we will remember forever. Thank you.
Thank you.